Good morning and hey howdy. I'm James Adams with ABR Electric. Got a decision for you to make and you'll like it. I've got several comments, questions the last couple of weeks, and they're like, hey, this is going on with my panel and they're describing an old breaker box. What should I do? What should I get? So, two simple questions. One is, when should I replace my breaker box? And what should I replace it with? A and B. Here you go. Here's A. If you have a 40 or 50-year-old panel, Federal Pacific, Zinsco, Bulldog, Pushmatic, they need to go. They're the 70s versions of the cars, at least that I grew up with, that I hated. Vega, Gremlin, Pinto, drove several of those. So my point to you is, if you've got a Pinto panel in your house, make a plan. Here's your decision point. Make a plan and change it, okay? If your panel is also humming, if you touch the outside and it's hot, it needs to go. Okay? So here's B. What do I replace it with? Glad you asked. Square D. Square D has two main brands in the residential market. They have a QO and a Homeline. Bang for your buck, get the QO. That's what I install in our company every single week in homes. So Square D QO, right there. Look at that. I love that. QO. 2 letters. I'm not stymied by that. I can handle that. So why do I recommend it so highly? Lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty on the panel, lifetime warranty on the breakers. So in thinking back since the early 90s, in terms of a bad breaker, I may have replaced maybe 1 or 2 over the course of almost 30 years. In those other panels, lots of other brands that you'll see out there, I've replaced dozens and dozens of those. So that's my recommendation. I think that this is a kind of a lifetime great decision. And I say lifetime because if you put in the right panel and do it once, you're going to be done with it. You get to have a great panel and not think about it. So those signs, if you got things going on in your panel, or you're even thinking about it, a realtor or home inspector said, hey, you should look at this panel. I'm telling you from my experience and what we use almost on a daily basis, go with Square D QO. It's a great panel. Love to hear your comments and questions. Please click subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you next time.